Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the glowing Dominus bait skin in Fish It game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get this bait skin, you need to go to the classic island and you're going to go to this classic school. The classic school is right here. Okay, and then you're going to open the locker and you need to have the locker key. If you want to open up the locker, you can get the locker key for free from this principal, or you can fish here, and if you're lucky you will get the locker key to open up this locker. Okay, and you will have 3% chance to get the glowing dominance skin, and I've already obtained the skin guys. This one, oops, this one guys, this is how the glowing dominance looks like. And yeah, it's so cool. You can just open the locker to get it for free, but of course you need to have the locker key. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the glowing Dominus skin in Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.